makers! Today I'm going to be helping answer the question, how much inventory do I need? When getting ready to launch your brand, an important question to ask yourself is how much inventory do I need? This is a question I see really often online, and the answer can vary based on your approach to going to market. So some brands might need a little bit of inventory to get started and others might need a lot. It depends on one key thing, and that's the exposure that your brand is going to have upon launching. For example, if you're going to a market that's going to have 200 attendees, you may only need 30, 40, maybe 50 candles at the most to bring to that market. If you're going to a market that's going to have 20,000 people, the exposure is much greater and therefore your chance of making more sales is much higher, and you're going to need maybe 200 to 300 candles to bring to that market. Really, it's up to your own discretion based on how big your market is and how many people are going to see your candles and know about them when you launch. So where are you going to market them? Are you telling your friends and family? Are you going to markets? Are you putting up an e-commerce website? All of these factors need to be taken into consideration when deciding how much inventory you need. If you're going to start small and you won't be marketing that heavily when you launch your brand, then you probably don't need that much inventory to get started. One important thing to know is what your vendors' lead times are. For example, if you decide to start with 10 to 15 units per fragrance for each candle, which is a great starting point if you're not doing a lot of heavy marketing when you launch, then make sure you know it may take 2 to 3 weeks or however long it takes to get the product back in from your vendors so that you can plan based on how quickly they're selling when you need to reorder your products. If you plan to go to a lot of markets and you know potential wholesale buyers or others that may be interested in purchasing larger quantities of your candles, then don't be afraid to amp up your inventory a little bit and start with higher quantities. It's totally up to you depending on what you believe your sales are going to be upon launch. And again, the most important thing to know is how much time it will take you to restock your inventory so that if things go really well, which is what we're hoping for, then you know exactly how long it's going to take you and you can communicate that to your customers on when you'll have your candles in stock. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!